Guys, today we have got to secure some property. And you know, I'm big on home security, vehicle security, but let's not forget about your boat trailer, guys. I'm telling you, right here, this coupler, you gotta secure it. I mean, they will back up your driveway or in a parking lot, wherever you've got it, and they will just connect right to it and go. So we want to make sure that you are the only one that can connect to your boat trailer. Not just anybody at random wants to pull up, drag this thing down the road, and trust me, they will drag it down the road. They will get your property. It doesn't matter if we've got this thing secured like Fort Knox, they will get your property. But like I said about the last video with the tail lights being secured on the F-150, y'all check this one out right here. You want to make it as tough as possible for any thieves to take as much time as possible. That way there's more chance of them getting caught than just backing up in the driveway, hooking up to a 2-inch ball and taking your stuff down the road.
So I come down here to one of the marine stores. As you can see, they got a lot of locks and couplers, coupler locks, pin locks, stuff like that, but nothing really that I would want to waste my money on. So I found this company called Rhino USA, and they have coupler locks. They also have the lock for this right here. Okay, and here's another one. This one's longer because, just to let you guys know, some of them do not fit up here. Some of them have the holes right here on the side and right here, so you'll have to measure. Mine winds up being a 3-inch, so this will not work with my application. So you got to get the right one. So you're like, well, how do I know which one to get for this? I just measured. So it's actually about 2.5. So there's a 2-inch pin, and that won't work. I ordered a 3-inch right here from Rhino. So yeah, you're like, well, I've got one of these already. That ought to be good enough. It's not, guys. It's not. They can cut that off there. And besides, this is still exposed. They can put a hook right here and still just drag it down the road. That's why Rhino makes this neat coupler right here. It's a coupler lock. Push this up. That secures up in here. They cannot gain access to this at all. Watch this when I unlock it. We slide it on just like that. Push the pin up, pull the key out, and they cannot get this off. I mean, it'll wobble around because the pin's up in there, but they can't take a saw that easy. They'll be cutting a while to get that off. You also want to secure the trailer to the truck. That's right, guys. Gotta have this right here. Secure the trailer to the truck, because you show back up to the boat ramp with your boat and you don't have a trailer, that will be a problem. It really is a shame that we've got to lock up absolutely everything, even the spare tire. That's right. Otherwise, they can just unbolt, take the nuts off. They got them a free spare tire. And if you don't think they'll do that at the boat ramp, you got another thing coming. We're talking about securing your boat trailer, but there's so many other things to think about that you need to secure when you're at the boat landing, when you're at a hotel or a rental house. Like, sometimes we'll tow the boat and have to park it on the street or somewhere like that if you're in a tournament, or if you're just away from home. They will get up there, they will take your depth finder, they will take your trolling motor,
So it's good to have a quick disconnect for your trolling motor where you can take it in with you, take the depth finder, fish finder inside with you. Also, do not leave items in the bed of a truck. That's easy pickings. If you've got a toolbox on the back of your truck, be sure that you always keep it locked. Keep the vehicle locked itself. Like goalposts on the trailer. They make these neat trailer goalpost covers. Well, those are awesome and they look great, but they will disappear in the matter of minutes or seconds. I promise you. Because what you think is neat, other people think's pretty neat themselves, especially the thieves. When we get to the boat ramp, the first thing we do is take this thing off right from the trailer to the engine. Kind of takes the weight off of it. What do we do with it, guys? Normally throw it down like that. That's the biggest no-no there is. They will get it. I've even got the locking screws for tags. That's right, they will steal the tag off of your vehicle and your boat. We've even got locking lug nuts. Y'all know I say this a lot, but an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. You can even wrap chains through your wheel, or they make locking boots where they can't move the trailer at all. If they want it, they're gonna get it, regardless. But let's just not make it too easy for them, guys. I don't have time to lock this. I'm just gonna stick a bolt through here. Put a nut on the end. That's good enough. It won't come loose coming down the road. We call that a gift. Now, using that small lock, it comes in handy on trailers like this. See exactly what I was talking about? Who put that bolt in there? Get that bolt out of here. Look how quick that is. And that trailer is history. You come out after drinking your coffee, find out it is gone. All right, this thing here, you just want to unscrew it till you get enough threads on it. I'm gonna come back like this, put the key in it, and you're gonna use the key like a wrench. You're just gonna keep turning it. Keep turning it. Just like that. What's also cool about the Rhino, it not only fits the boat trailer, it fits other trailers as well. That should cover just about everything you need to know. Takes a little common sense and just be proactive. Don't give others a chance to take your stuff. That's gonna do it for the video, guys. I sure appreciate y'all tuning in. I'll catch you next time. Later now.